Snapchat camera roll hack. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a hack in Snapchat with the camera roll. So let's get started. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your filters. So as you can see, we have a bunch of filters right here. We want to go ahead and we want to come over here onto explore lens, and what we want to do is want to search for a lens which is called camera roll, right? So basically what we're going to be doing is we want to send a picture or from our gallery to a specific someone, but we want to send it as a snap, but we can't because Snapchat doesn't allow us to do that. So that's why we are going to go ahead and search for another camera roll, which is going to be this one, camera roll. If you just simply search for camera, it'll pop up in the front. Simply click over here, and then you just simply choose one of your photos from the gallery, right? So this is the gym timing that I have, so I want to send it to my friend. So I'll just simply select the image and click on the camera button, and now I will send it to my friends. And there we go. That is how you use it. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.